magandang umaga. Andito ako sa Level Up by Trifactor here in Singapore. I've been training for so many days and I need my muscles to recover, and the best way daw para mag-recover is to swim in cold water. Oh, it's very cold! Diyos ko Lord, ang lamig. This is 15 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
So remember, control your breathing. And then slowly lower your butt down.
So ngayon, binaba na niya to 13 degrees Celsius itong aking cold water immersion. Nakakatulong daw ito para mas mabilis mag-recover yung mga muscles after training. Magkakaroon daw ng better circulation yung blood sa ating mga muscles. After 20 minutes, nandito naman ako sa mainit na tubig. Ang sarap! Unang lubog, parang may nakakakiliti siya. Parang may tingling feeling. Kasi malamig, tapos biglang mainit. Oh my God! Ang sarap naman ito. Pero super nakaka-relax to. Grabe. Nakaka-relax.